So this is a loading technique to the back part of the forearm, covering roughly where the wrist bends to where the elbow bends. You're going to need a ball and a surface to lay it on. You can do it seated or kneeling. I'm going to show you the kneeling version. You're going to take the ball, place it on the surface, place the back part of your forearm on top of that ball. From there, I'm going to try to scan an area because I'm doing the seek and destroy method. So I'm going to find and seek an area that's sensitive. I'm going to go towards my elbow, and then I'm going to go towards my wrist. Wherever I feel more sensitivity, I'm going to hold that position. From there, I'm just going to move my wrist in these directions. So I'm going to go towards my pinky side, towards my thumb side, and trying to see where exactly I feel more load. Once I feel more load, I'm going to hold that there. And then I'm going to breathe into it. And then when I exhale, I'm going to add additional load on top. So I'm going to breathe into it and exhale. I'm going to apply more pressure using my opposite arm, or I can just lean into it more until it desensitizes. Once it desensitizes, you can progress to another spot. So I'm going to find another area towards my elbow, towards my wrist. I feel it right there. I'm going to swivel in towards my pinky side, out towards my thumb side. Hold it right there, wherever I feel it the most. Take a breath in and exhale until it desensitizes. The second method you can use is more of the pin and stretch. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to find an area that's sensitive towards my elbow, towards my wrist. Hold it there, and then I'm going to bring my wrist back and forth like this towards my thumb and towards my pinky. Wherever I feel more load, I'm going to hold that position. In order to stretch it out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my fingers and my wrist relaxed. I'm going to curl my fingers and bring my wrist up, take my hand and help bring it further towards me. And then I'm going to relax. I'm going to do that exact same thing, curl my fingers, bring my wrist up, and pull my fist towards me a little bit more, hold that position until it desensitizes and melts over the ball. The other method that you can try when you're doing the pin and stretch is you can relax the hand and the fingers, do the exact same thing, find the area that's sensitive, swivel in and out, hold that position, relax the hand, and then now I'm going to move my body over the ball, so I'm going to bend the elbow. I'm going to go up a little bit more, bend the elbow, until I feel a little bit more load on that tissue. Once I feel additional load and sensitivity, I'm going to hold it there until it melts. Once it melts, then I can progress and do another one.